हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत अच्छे से वर्क कर रहे हैं एंड उसके बाद जो ओल्ड टॉपिक्स उनको भी अच्छे से रिवाइज कर रहे होंगे। सो वेलकम टू अवर यूट्यूब चैनल फॉर आवर न्यू टॉपिक दैट इज क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स। तो हम यहाँ पे क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे एंड उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज को देखेंगे। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना टॉपिक। ओके, तो यहाँ पर आते हैं हम क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स पर। तो सबसे पहले हम यहाँ पर देखते हैं क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स की डेफिनेशन। दैट इज द वर्ड quadrilaterals is derived from two words, that is quadri means four and lateral means sides. So here we are having a closed figure bounded by four sides such that no two line segments cross each other is called quadrilateral. So we are having four-sided figures. We will call it quadrilateral. In this figure given, quadrilaterals. Okay, here we are having quadrilaterals in the figures given below, and figure C does not represent a quadrilateral by the first thing: 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Why? Because it has more than the quadrilateral says. Okay, let's see. In quadrilateral ABCD, the line segments AB, BC, CD, DA are called the sides. And here we are having vertices ABCD. Then after that we are having angles. That is angle DAB, angle ABC, angle DCD, and angle CDA. After that we are having adjacent sides in which two sides of quadrilateral having common endpoint is called adjacent sides. That AB and BC. Here we are having B, BC and CD. Here we are having C. Okay, so these are the pairs of adjacent sides. Next is opposite sides. Two sides of quadrilateral are called its opposite if they do not have any common endpoint. Okay, so here we are having ABCD and ADBC are two pairs of opposite sides of the quadrilateral ABCD, and the line segment AC and BD are the diagonals. So जब भी हम डायगोनल्स की बात करते हैं तो उसमें जो हमारे अपोजिट वर्टिसेस होते हैं उनको हमें ज्वाइन करना होता है, और उनको ज्वाइन करने के बाद जो भी फॉर्म होता है दैट इज आवर डायगोनल. वी आर हैविंग जी पार्ट दैट इज adjacent angles. Two angles of quadrilateral are coadjacent when they have a common side, as in R. So here we are having angle A and angle B, angle B and angle C, angle C and angle D and angle A. Okay, so angle A and angle D, we are having common arm, that is AD. So these are adjacent angles. Opposite angles in which they do not have any common arm, just like angle A and angle C, angle D and angle B. Clear? Okay. Now we are having another property, that is convex and concave quadrilateral. Okay. A quadrilateral in which the measure of each angle is less than 180 degrees is called convex quadrilateral. Just like this one, all four angles of quadrilateral is always less than 180 degree. A quadrilateral in which the measure of at least one of the angle is more than 180 degree. If you see this angle, this is a reflex angle, and this is always more than 180 degree. So this is called a concave quadrilateral. Okay, now we are having exterior and interior part. If you see these 2 points, these are in the interior of the quadrilateral. If you see E and H, these are exterior of the quadrilateral, and if you see point G, this is on the quadrilateral point. Clear? Next we are having quadrilateral region. If we talk about the regional part, that is the interior part of the quadrilateral. We now come to our one property. Okay, the property that is interior of convex quadrilateral is convex. A line segment joining 2 points, the interior of the quadrilateral lies entirely in the interior quadrilateral. If we talk about the convex quadrilateral, if you draw any 2 points in this quadrilateral, तो आपको हमेशा वो जो लाइन मिलेगी वो इनसाइड द क्वाड्रेटल लाई करेगी। अगर आप कॉनकेव क्वाड्रेटल में 2 पॉइंट्स को ये अंदर भी आ सकते हैं, लेकिन ये बाहर भी आते हैं, ठीक है? तो या अगर आपने यहाँ पर ये 2 पॉइंट्स को जॉइन करा और ये फिगर के बाहर लाया करते हैं, तो ये क्या हो जाता है हमारा कॉनकेव क्वाड्रेटल। चलिए इसके बाद आते हैं हमारे पास एंगल्स एंड प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल। एंगल्स एंड प्रॉपर्टी सेज द सम ऑफ एंगल्स ऑफ क्वाड्रिलेटरल is 360 degree. Clear? Okay. Then we are having interior and exterior angles of the quadrilateral. If we talk about the interior angles, so we are having angle ABCD. These are the interior angles of the quadrilateral. If we talk about 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the exterior angles of the quadrilateral. The property says the sum of all 4 exterior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So the sum of interior angles and sum of exterior angles is always equal. So यहाँ पर तो कुछ नहीं, आगे चलते हैं. So students, now we are having exercise that is 17.1. So question number 1 is fill in the blanks. So here we are having C part. The sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is, that is 360 degree. Each angle of quadrilateral is equals to x, then x is of 90 degree. Okay, now we are having question number 2. In the adjoining figure, ABCD is quadrilateral. Name its pairs of adjacent sides, pairs of opposite sides, the angle opposite to A, and the name a pair of adjacent angles. Okay, let's start question number 2. Here we are having name the pairs of adjacent sides. In adjacent sides, we have common endpoint just like this, AD and AB. Then AB and BD. After that, we are having, sorry, this is BC, sorry, BC and CD. Then we are having D8, and this is done. Actually, CD and DA. Yes, this is C. The last pair is, this is CD and D. Clear? So these are the pairs of adjacent sides. Name the pair of opposite sides. Okay, opposite sides are this AB and DC. This is DC and AB. Then we are having DA and CB. Okay. Next is an angle opposite to A. The angle opposite to A is angle C. So we are having angle C. Next is name the pair of adjacent angles. Okay. For adjacent angles, we are having a common arc. Just like angle A and angle D, we are having common DA. This is angle D and angle A. Then we are having angle A and angle B. Then we are having angle B and angle C. Then we are having angle C and angle D. Clear? Okay. Next come to question number. Here we are having question number 5. Two angles of a quadrilateral are of measure 75 degree and 105 degree, and the other two angles are equal. Okay. What is the measure of these angles? Let's make a quadrilateral first. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Name it just like P, Q, R, S. So the one angle is 75 degree. Then one is 105. And another two angles are equal. Let's assume them X. So angles of property of quadrilateral is T of is 360 degree. Clear? So we are having angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S equals to 360 degree. Now we are having angle P is 75 degree. Angle Q is 105 degree. Angle R we are having X. Angle X we are having X. Equals to 360 degree. Now solve this part. If we add these two numbers, we are having 180 degree. X plus X is 2x degree equals to 360 degree. Clear? So if we solve this, we are having here 2x. There is 180 degree. If we solve this, we are having the value of x is 90 degree. Clear? तो हमारे पास जो अदर टू एंगल्स होंगे वो कितने के होंगे? ओके, सो बाकी क्वेश्चंस आप लोग कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए एक फिगर का क्वेश्चन और ले लेते हैं क्या? चलिए फिगर का क्वेश्चन और डाल देते हूँ, जस्ट लाइक दिस। ओके, नाउ वी आर हैविंग इन द एडजॉइनिंग फिगर फाइंड द मेजर ऑफ एंगल LMN. This is LMN. We have to find this angle. So here we are going to use angle sum property again. This is angle sum property. Clear? So the one angle is angle O plus angle L plus angle M plus angle M is 360 degree. Clear? Now we are having angle O is of 45 degree. Angle L, here we are having a sine of 90 degree. Then again N is of 90 degree too. And angle M. Okay, now we are having 45, 90 plus 90, that is 180, 225. And here we are having angle M. So angle M is 360 degree minus 225 degree. Here we are having angle M equals to 5, 3 and 1. This is 135 degree. That is the answer. Okay. So I hope we have completed all the topics. तो अब आप लोग ईजिली सारे टॉपिक्स क्लियर हो गए होंगे। अब आप लोग क्या करेंगे, इसके प्रैक्टिस करेंगे। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए ऑल द बेस्ट।